No one should be forced to adopt or renounce a citizenship they've never held in order to access rights which were meant to be granted at birth. But that is what is happening today in Northern Ireland. Moving on to what actions, if any, the British and Irish governments could or should take in response to this ruling. It has been encouraging to many that the Irish government has become more vocal on this issue since the October 14th ruling, and I'm sure there will be those who will take solace in this committee hearing today. However, the denial of rights continues and has a real-time effect on people across Northern Ireland. Last week, I met with another family renouncing British citizenship. The week before previous, another family simply leaving the country to access their rights. An urgent and effective response is required to deal with this. Theresa May pledged a review into these issues in February of this year, but unfortunately this review has not been released before Theresa May departed. There is speculation that a review does exist, but we have no timeline, no terms of reference, and no indication that it will ever be released. I do believe that there is a little bit of a reliance on the outcome of this review, and I do not think that this review will ever see the light of day, to be honest. We have been informed that Council, on behalf of the Home Office, has taken direct orders from the Secretary of State for the Home Department in her case, and I believe this contradicts the British Government's claim that it is seeking a resolution here. I have seen no indication of any political will or appetite to find a solution that is in line with the spirit and the letter of the Good Friday Agreement in all of my correspondence with British officials. I've seen statements made that the British Government cannot be held to the spirit of a treaty, that it is the British Government's view that an international agreement such as the Belfast Good Friday Agreement cannot supersede domestic legislation, that there is nothing in the Belfast Agreement to prevent the automatic conferral of British citizenship. On the day of October 14th, when the ruling came, the Home Office released a statement saying that it was pleased with the outcome of that ruling. All of these statements, combined with the resources and time invested into pursuing this case against us over the past 4 years, demonstrates that the British Government is not committed to the Good Friday Agreement or to finding a resolution